Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to show multiple databases in one Notion view. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by having to switch between various pages in Notion just to keep track of different databases? It can be frustrating when your workflow is interrupted by the need to continually flip through multiple pages. But worry not, because today we're diving into a solution that will allow you to display multiple databases in a single view in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly compare and manage all your important projects, tasks, or data without the hassle of navigating between separate pages. Let's make your workspace more efficient and organized, all in one place. First, let's get started by opening the Notion page where you'd like to showcase these databases together. This is your canvas, so choose a page that makes sense for the information you want to consolidate. Now, to add your first database, simply type / on your keyboard, which brings up the command menu. Type database in this menu, and you'll see a variety of options appear, such as table, inline, board, and gallery, to name a few. Choose a format that aligns best with how you want to view your data. For instance, if you prefer to see your entries in a structured format with rows and columns, opt for a table. If you're managing tasks in a Kanban style, then a board might be more suitable. Click on your chosen format, and Notion will insert a blank database right onto your page. Once you've added your first database, it's time to introduce another one. On a new line, type database again. This time, however, instead of creating a new database, let's link to an existing one. Notion makes this process quite straightforward. Select Link to Database and search for your desired database in the list that appears. Once you've found it, select it, and it will appear directly below the first database you added. Here's a little tip that can make your experience even better. When you link to a database, Notion typically uses the original view settings for that database, which might not be what you want to see. No worries, though. You can customize this by clicking Add a New View at the top of your newly linked database. Here, you have the flexibility to choose from different views such as table, list, or board. Determine what view works best for your particular needs. Perhaps you'd like a filtered view that only shows ongoing tasks or a grouping by status or project. Explore these options to tailor your setup to fit your specific requirements. Once you've created your custom view, you might notice the old default view still hanging around. If it's getting in your way, you can easily remove it by clicking the 3 dots next to the view name and selecting Delete. Don't worry, this action only removes the view, not the actual data within your database. Let's continue by adding yet another database. Follow the same steps as before. Type database, link to your next sample database, and then customize the view to however you prefer. Maybe this time you opt for a board view or decide to sort your entries by deadline. Whatever helps streamline your workspace is the goal. After customizing, you can delete the old default view, keeping everything neat and exactly how you want it. By stacking multiple linked databases and fine-tuning each view, you're effectively creating a powerful dashboard on your Notion page. Here, everything you care about is visible at a glance, which can be a total game changer for project management, content creation, or even keeping track of personal goals, whether you're working solo or as part of a team. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to show multiple databases in one Notion view. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe so you never miss an update.